Hi there, my name is Colby Redding, and here's the screencast for my website project. So, what my group decided to focus on is what we call the automation of medicine, which, in hindsight, really all it is some kind of technology taking some kind of job that a human would normally do within the medical field and replacing it, and that technology is replacing it. So, what we did here is in this little paragraph here, we talk about why we decided to do the topic of automation of medicine, and pretty much the reason why we decided to do it is because automating medicine is relatively a new idea and concept, or not really a new idea, but we have the means to actually start to automate medicine nowadays a little bit, and if it is done right, it has the potential to completely revolutionize the way the medical field operates in the future. Then we have some of these pictures here. They're just kind of nothing real special, just kind of generic medical health techie things. I mean, yeah. And then this next video I thought was kind of interesting. I picked it out myself. This guy goes through like different levels of automation in the medical field that could happen in the future. Like, for example, the first level is nothing real interesting. It's like pretty much just a doctor with an iPad accessing medical records, but then it goes like all the way up to more or less like a fully automated doctor's office. You got like AI performing surgery on people. I thought it was pretty interesting. And then up here we have our little logo. It goes around with you to the other pages. In hindsight, we should have put it here, but oh well. Here's a topic I did. I did mine on robotic assisted surgery. So pretty much what robotic assisted surgery is a surgeon takes a robotic device. It has arms that have like the surgical equipment, so to say, I guess, like the scalpel and all that, and then a camera so that the surgeon can see inside the body, and then move it around with these levers and pedals so that they can actually move around the body and do what they need to do. The reason why robotic assisted surgery is kind of impressive is that it is a form of minimally invasive surgery, which means that it makes small incisions and it doesn't have large incisions with like how it would be with like a traditional surgery. And it's also this is important because minimally invasive surgery tends to have more benefits for the patient. For example, like it'll have faster recovery times and such. And here's just a little picture of one kind of robotic surgery device. This video here, I thought it was kind of interesting. It just goes kind of in the history of that robotic surgery. And then talks about this one company called Intuitive, and I think it's called a Da Vinci device. And then it goes into this one guy's story. He had cancer, and he got treated by the Da Vinci device, and it was all gone. And then down here I talk about what kind of surgeries it can be used in. It's rather impressive because it can be used to treat cancer. It can be used in heart surgery, kidney surgery, hernia repair. It's pretty versatile for what it is. And down here I kind of talk about some of the future potential of robotic surgery. I kind of somewhat speculate a little bit, but I kind of say like maybe the human part will be replaced and it'll just be a robot itself, or maybe it will become more mobile and they'll be able to get to more patients around the world. The surgeon could be halfway across the earth but still be able to perform surgery on a person. And down here I got a little picture of a bunch of doctors standing around another robotic surgical device. And then just here's my works cited. Nothing interesting here. This is the virtual reality page that Caitlin did. I really can't go into detail about it because I didn't do it, but from what I've seen, it looks pretty interesting. And my personal favorite is the page that Caden did. From what I read, I'm not going to go into detail either because, once again, I didn't do it. But he did the automation of pharmacy page. This automation of pharmacy page, which, in all honesty, is really interesting in my opinion. And then the next page, Rachel did. She did 3D printing and it looks like she went into detail about 3D printing and how it could be used in the medical field, which is pretty interesting also in my opinion. The next page, it's just all of us. Here I am. Looks like, I remember that day I was fishing. It's pretty fun day. I caught a bunch of fish. And then we all have like a little blurb of each other, of who we are and all that. There's everyone. And then the next page, it's nothing real interesting. It's just another works cited page, kind of, in a way. It's just, yeah, nothing real interesting there. And I hope whoever's listening to this, you have a good day.